ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। हरि ॐ। We begin the 18th chapter of the Bhagavad Gita. Arjuna Uvacha. Arjuna said, Sannyasasya mahabaho tattvam ichchami veditum tyagasya cha hrishikesha prithak keshi nishudana. Hrishikesha or Rishikesha. Rishika means the sense organs. Isha means Lord, means one who has controlled one's sense organs. Mahabaho, O mighty armed. Keshi Nishudana, O the killer or slayer of Keshi, the asura named Keshi. Sannyasasya of sannyasa, Tyagasya of tyaga or renunciation, Cha also, Prithak severally, Tattvam truth, Veditum to know, Ichchami I desire. So Arjuna is asking Sri Krishna, I desire to know separately the truth of sannyasa. Sannyasa means renunciation. Samyak nyasa, complete renunciation. Also, I want to know the truth of tyaga. Tyaga means dispassion. So, tyaga also means renunciation. Sannyasa, tyaga both mean renunciation. So, what is the truth of sannyasa and tyaga? Please tell me. So Sri Bhagavan Vacha, God said or Lord said, Kamyanam karmanam nyasam sannyasam kavayo viduhu sarva karma phalatyagam prahustyagam vichakshanaha. Kavayah, sages. Kavayah means sages. Kavi means sage. Kamyanam, Kamya or that which is desired. Karmanam, actions. Nyasam, the renunciation. Sannyasam is called sannyasa. Viduhu, understand. Vichakshanaha, the wise. Sarva karma phalatyagam, the giving up of all the fruits of all works. Tyagam as tyaga, prahuhu, declare. So, the giving up of all kamya karma, that is all actions propelled by desire, that is called sannyasa. According to sages, that is called sannyasa. The wise declare, or the people who are having wisdom, they declare the abandonment or giving up of the fruit of all actions as tyaga. So tyaga is giving up fruits of all actions, and sannyasa is giving up all desires or all actions propelled by desires. Tyajyam doshavad ityeke karma prahur manishinah yajna dana tapa karma na tyajyam iti cha apare. Eke, some manishinah, philosophers, karma, all actions, doshavat, considering to be an evil, iti, that, tyajyam, should be given up, prahuhu, declare. Apare, some others, cha, while yajna dana tapa karma, the work or actions of sacrifice, gift and austerity, not tyajyam, should be given up, iti. So some philosophers think that all actions should be given up as considering them to be evil, while other philosophers say that the works or actions of yajna, charity and austerity should not be given up. Nishchayam shrunume tatra tyage bharata sattama त्यागो हि पुरुष व्याघ्र त्रिविधः संप्रकीर्तितः. Bharata Sattama, best among the Bharatas or the people who are descendants of King Bharata. So best among the Bharatas. Purusha Vyagra, tiger among men. So we have different epithets to talk about the prowess or the excellence of a person. So one is tiger among men, Purusha Vyagra. Vyagra means tiger. Then there is Purushar Shaba or Bharatar Shaba, etc. So bull among men. So here Purusha Vyagra, tiger among men, Tatra, about that, Tyage, in Tyaga or renunciation, may, from me, Nishchayam, the final truth, Shunu, here, Tyagaha, giving up, he, for Trividaha, of three kinds, Samprakirtitaha, has been declared. So, from me, you listen to the final word about Tyaga. I will tell you Shrunu, I will tell you the final word or Nishchayam, final truth of Tyaga. And Tyaga has been told to be of three kinds. Yajna dana tapak karma na tyajyam karyameva tat. Yajna danam tapaschaiva pavanani manishinam. Yajna dana tapak karma, the actions or work of yajna, Vedic sacrifices, dana, gift or charity, and tapa, austerities, not tyajyam, should be given up. Tat, it, karyam, should be performed. Eva, indeed, yajna, Vedic sacrifice, danam, gift, tapaha, austerity, cha, and eva, indeed, manishinam, to the wise, pavanani, are purifying. So, even though you give up actions propelled by desires, that is kamya karma, actions which are done to fulfill some desires, the work of yajna or sacrifice, gift and austerity should not be given up. They should not be given up. So this whole universe is a big cosmic sacrifice going on, and that should not be given up. But it should be performed. For yajna, gift and austerity are purifying to the wise. Etanyapi tu karmani sangam tyaktva phalani cha kartavyani ti me partha nishchitam matam uttamam. So Partha, O Partha, etani, these karmani, works, api, even, tu, but, sangam, attachment, phalani, the fruits, cha, and tyaktva, leaving, kartavyani, should be performed, iti, such may my nishchitam, certain, uttamam, best, matam, conviction. So, though you should not perform actions which are propelled by desires, and you should continue to perform Vedic sacrifice, gift and austerities, but these gifts, austerities and Vedic sacrifices also should be performed without having attachment. Sangam phalani cha tyaktva. You should have no attachment and you should not expect any fruits from these actions. So even these works, O Partha, should be performed leaving attachment and the fruits. And that is my best and certain conviction. That is what I think is best. So Sri Krishna says you have to perform even those actions which have to be performed. They should not be given up. That is Vedic sacrifices, giving gifts and austerity. But they should be performed in a manner where you are not attached and you are not expecting any fruits. Niyatasya tu sannyasah karmano na upapadyate mohat tasya parityagah tamasah parikirtitah. Niyatasya, obligatory, that is nitya karma, karmanah, of action, tu, but sannyasa, the renunciation or giving up, Na, not upapadyate is proper. Mohat, from delusion, tasya, of the same, parityagah, abandonment, tamasah, parikirtita is considered to be tamasika. So, one should not give up one's nitya karma, obligatory action. Obligatory action should not be given up, it is not proper. Abandonment of obligatory action or giving up of obligatory action arises from delusion. Mohat, it comes from mohat, from delusion. And so, tasya, of the same, parityagaha, abandonment, is considered to be tamasika. It is considered to be tamasika. Because till a person has attained Brahmagyana, till a person has attained the knowledge of Brahman, one has to do nitya karma, like Sandhya Vandana or one's meditation, japa, etc. That has to be done. One has to do nitya karma. One has to do nitya karma. And giving up nitya karma, so that nitya karma purifies. Nitya karma purifies a person who is still in ignorance, who has not attained the knowledge of Brahman. And so, because it purifies, one has to do it. And if one does not do it, that is because of delusion, and it is because it is tamasika. So it is considered to be tamasika. Dukham ityeva yat karma kaya klesha bhayat tyajet sakritva rajasam tyagam naiva tyaga phalam labet. So earlier Sri Krishna has told that I am going to tell you these different trividaha samparkititaha, three kinds of tyaga. So now he is telling that three kinds of tyaga. First is tamasika, where you give up your obligatory actions which you have to do daily, nitya karma. Now he is saying rajasika tyaga. So dukkham, painful, iti, because, eva, only, kaya klesha bhayat, from fear of physical exertion or physical trouble, bodily trouble, yat, which karma, action, tyajet, given up, saha, that person, rajasam, rajasika, tyagam, relinquishment, kritva, performing, tyaga phalam, the fruit of giving up, na, not, eva labhet, obtains. So, a person who, because of the fear of bodily trouble, gives up action because it is painful, thus performing a rajasika giving up, that person does not obtain the fruit of that action. So a person who gives up action because of bodily trouble, kaya klesha bhayat, because of bodily trouble and because it is painful, and so the person performs a rajasika tyaga. Means it's not tyaga basically, that person avoids an action because it's very difficult to give up, do. A particular action is difficult to do. For example, austerities. Oh, it is very difficult to do austerities, so let me give up austerities. It is very difficult to do this worldly work. I have to go to office, etc. So give up. What is the use? So this is rajasika action, renunciation. So it's not renunciation at all. So the fruit of renunciation you don't get, because all the renunciation, proper renunciation, comes with an idea that this world is unreal. But if you think I have to give up something because you cannot do it, because it causes so much trouble to your body, then you are giving some reality to the body. So then it is no more renunciation because of understanding, wisdom, or it is not renunciation because you want to get moksha. So the fruit of renunciation is moksha. And so that moksha is not attained because one gives up kaya klesha bhayat, because of the fear of kaya klesha, means physical difficulty. that will not lead to moksha, because unless you have this conviction that the entire universe is unreal, one will not get moksha. But if you give up some action because of the trouble you are put physically, the trouble you undergo physically, then that doesn't make sense. So then it is totally against moksha, because then you are acknowledging physicality, you are acknowledging the universe. Then Sri Krishna says, Karyam ityeva yat karma niyatam kriyate Arjuna sangam tyaktva phalam chaiva satyaga satvika matah. Arjuna, O Arjuna, sangam, attachment, phalam, fruit, cha eva, and tyaktva, leaving, karyam, it has to be done, iti, because, eva, only, yat, which, niyatam, obligatory or regular, nitya karma, karma action kriyate is performed, saha, such, tyagaha, giving up, satvikaha mataha is regarded, mataha is regarded as satvika. So when nitya karma is performed, only because it has to be done, giving up attachment and fruit, such relinquishment is considered as satvika. Such relinquishment is considered satvika. Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Tat Sat. Shri Ramakrishna Arpanamastu.